Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a very quick video. I just want to preface that really quick. I just want to show you, I've been talking about it for a really long time. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer Oil-Free Pore Minimizing. This is the best stuff. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like on. I'm not going to do check-ins because I already know how it wears, but I'll show you outside in the sunlight how it looks. But I've already prepped my skin. I've done my toner, my moisturizer, my sunscreen. So we're just gonna apply this and then I'll show you outside how it looks. But if you're looking for literally no makeup, like no powder foundation or nothing, this is gonna be your best bet. It blurs your pores, it mattifies. So I just wanted to show you guys what I've been raving about for so long. So let's go ahead and put it in the face, put it on the face. And also I have a big one of these, but I don't know where I put it. So this is my travel one that we're gonna use, but yeah. So this is the packaging. Let's see what it says online. Okay, so the big one at Sephora is $39 and the little one is $14, the travel size, the one that I have here. Let's see what it claims. It says, this is an oil-free mattifying face primer that reduces the look of flaws and pores and absorbs oil for up to 8 hours. Free of sulfates, LS, so it's, I don't know if it's a clean ingredient, but it's free of all that stuff. What else you need to know? Mattify, shine, and reduce the look of pores with this award-winning primer. The water-resistant, non-drying gel formula won't clog pores and dramatically smooths while prepping skin for foundation. This product is also dermatologist tested. I'm doing laundry, so if that's what you hear. So let's just go ahead and put it on the face. I will warn you, so this is what it looks like when it comes out. So it's very gel-like, dimethicone-y, it's gonna blur, all that stuff. I will warn you, don't use too much. I like to warm it up in between my fingers and then really press it just here and here, because if you put it all over your face, it will start to ball up and then you'll have little balls of primer on your face. So I just like to warm it up and then I just like to smooth it here and here, my T-zone where I get really oily on my forehead, and then work it around the eyes. And bring it down just a little bit. But really like just press it into the skin. And that's as far as I come down. So I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but look at my skin. It's very blurred, it's very mattified. And so yeah, we have it applied and I'll show you out in the direct sunlight. I'm getting ready to go show a house, but again, this is the best stuff. You don't want to use any sort of makeup. This is it. So I'll show you outside and then we'll wrap up the video. All right, we are outside in the natural sunlight and I turned the air conditioning down so that you couldn't hear in the background, but it's 93 degrees outside. So we're gonna make this very quick, but this is what it looks like. It is matte, it is poreless, it is divine. It's good, it's really good. So I would say check it out if this is your jam without the powder foundation, all that stuff. You just want like a strict, like a look a little bit better. This is your girl. Thank you so much for joining me on this one. Hit that subscribe button to join me on my journey to find the perfect man makeup. I review a bunch of stuff, as you know now, hopefully. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me and I will check you on my next one. Bye.